on the back half of the weekend, when the living room light pours in. I can almost slow down my breathing, for the work starts again, for it starts again, again. Listen to the birds in the treetops, past my window ledge. I don't understand the language, no, but I like the sentiment. They're singing, calm yourself down. Why don't you take a minute, let the air go in and out. Calm yourself down. You might not take the time if you don't start now. Oh, calm yourself down.
I take the back gate to the garden, past the waist high fence.